Hi guys, welcome back. So today's video is about finding temple ordinances here on Familysearch, or a quick way to find and reserve temple ordinances here on Familysearch. So here I am on the Familysearch homepage, and I'm going to go up here to temple, but instead of clicking on it, I'm going to run my mouse over it, and there's this little drop down box with options. These first four options, all reserved, not printed, printed, and shared, they will bring you to your reserved list here on Familysearch. I will leave a link in the description box below that talks more about that page, but we're not going to go to that page today. We're going to go to this last one that says Ordinances Ready. So let's click on that. So here on Ordinances Ready, it will actually search your family tree and find people who need temple work done, and all the information's there ready to go. You just have to reserve them. So if you know the app of Take a Name, pretty much the same thing, but only here on Familysearch. Don't know the app Take a Name, I will leave a link to that video in the description box below so you can understand how that app works and how super cool and awesome that app is. But here it is on Familysearch. So you can do the same thing here on Familysearch, which I find super cool and awesome, and I love how Familysearch can do that. And let me show you how it works. So if you want to do a temple ordinance work, such as baptism and confirmation or in endowments, you click on that. So it will search your family tree / your reserved list for those who need their endowment work done. And then it will show you those 5 names. So let me click on one and show you. Let me do endowments. So now it is searching my reservation and also my temple opportunities on my family tree. And so far it's found 0 out of 1. There we go. So it looks like endowments only does 1. But I know if I do like baptisms, it chooses 5 names. So let's view that one option. And it says that this Herman Simmons actually needs endowment work done. That's all he needs to have done. Now I can reserve that name, and by clicking on Take the Name to the Temple, and I go, yep, I want to reserve that. And it's telling me how to print that and take that name to the temple. Actually don't want to print that. So we're back here to the main section of ordinances that are ready. I'm going to show you the baptism and confirmation. See that it does pull up 5 names. Just guessing that because endowments are so long, they only are pulling up 1 name versus like baptisms and sealings. So let's do baptisms. See, now it's saying 0 out of 5. So it does look up 5 names. Wow, that was really super quick. Okay, view people. It says here are 5 names that need baptism work done. It says they only need baptism work done, but I'm pretty sure they need more than just baptism and confirmation done. That's interesting. But then once again, I can take all 5 names to the temple by clicking on that and reserving those and printing them. The only downside I have to this here on Familysearch is it doesn't give me the option of choosing more than 5 names, and it doesn't give me the option of looking for boy or girl names. So now you can see that it's pulled up 4 boy names, but it hasn't given me any girl names. I mean, I know there's more boy names that need to be done on my family tree than girl names, but it doesn't give me that option of looking up for just girl names or just boy names. Whereas Take a Name, it says, oh, if you want to look up 20 names, here's 20 names. If you want to look up 5, here's 5. If you want to look up just girls or boys or both, you have that option. And then it has the same options before: baptism, initiatory, endowments, or sealings. So I do love how Take a Name has that, and I wish Familysearch would update that, but at least they have this now, and it's a start. So go Familysearch. So I hope this video was informative and you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you guys will actually take the time and opportunity to go to this Ordinance Ready section and find some people in your family tree that need to have their temple work done. So yeah. If you guys have any questions, please comment below. I will try to get back to you as soon as I can. If you guys have any suggestions on anything else I should film, please also comment below. And I hope you guys all have a beautiful week. Bye.